Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore products that make daily routines smarter and more effective. If you've ever felt frustrated by inconsistent brushing or wondered if your toothbrush is really doing its job, stick around. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any honest reviews that help simplify your beauty and self-care routines. Today, we're looking at the Oral-B Genius X Limited Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush in white, which comes with one replacement brush head and a travel case. Designed to remove up to 100% more plaque than a regular manual toothbrush, this electric toothbrush promises smarter, more effective oral care with personalized coaching through its smartphone connectivity. Right out of the box, the Genius X feels sleek and well-built. The set includes the toothbrush handle, a single brush head, a charger, and a sturdy travel case, perfect for anyone who travels frequently or just wants a clean, organized setup. Its standout feature is the AI-powered coaching, which guides you to brush all areas evenly with the right pressure, helping prevent overbrushing or missed spots. Using it in my routine, I immediately noticed how smooth the brushing felt, with vibrations that were powerful yet gentle on the gums. The brush head covers more surface area than a manual toothbrush, and the pressure sensor is surprisingly responsive. It signals if you're pressing too hard, which is a great safeguard for sensitive gums. I also appreciated how intuitive the Bluetooth connectivity is. Pairing it with the Oral-B app provides daily feedback and tracks your brushing habits, making it easy to improve over time. In terms of performance, it delivers on its promise to reduce plaque effectively. I could feel a noticeable difference after the first use, with teeth feeling cleaner and gums healthier. On the downside, the app might feel a bit much if you prefer a simple brushing routine, and the device is pricier than standard electric toothbrushes. Pros include excellent plaque removal, the AI-guided coaching, gentle yet thorough brushing, high-quality build, and convenient travel case. Cons would be the premium price and a slightly steep learning curve for those not used to smart toothbrush features. Considering value for money, this toothbrush is justified if you want an intelligent brushing experience and superior plaque control. For those who prefer something simpler, Oral-B's Pro Series offers strong performance at a lower price point, though without the advanced coaching. The build quality feels premium, from the durable handle to the ergonomic design. The brush head attachment is secure, and the travel case protects the device well. Battery longevity is solid, lasting several days on a full charge, which is convenient for travel. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Oral-B has a strong reputation for customer support, and their products are widely recognized by dentists globally, which adds confidence to your purchase. No recent updates affect performance, so the current version reflects the latest AI-guided brushing technology. For those looking for alternatives, the Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean offers comparable plaque removal and app integration, often favored for its quieter operation, but it comes at a similar or higher price point. Overall, the Oral-B Genius X Limited excels in giving you a professional-level brushing experience at home. It's ideal for anyone serious about oral health, looking for guidance to improve technique, or wanting a tech-savvy approach to daily care. For those satisfied with basic functionality, a simpler electric toothbrush might suffice. But for precision and insight into your brushing habits, this one stands out. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to purchase the Oral-B Genius X Limited in the comments or description box. If you've tried this toothbrush, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.